Tired of managing business calls and messages with outdated, clunky tools? Imagine a phone system as easy as intuitive as iMessage, but built for businesses. That's OpenPhone. Traditional phone systems can be costly, complex, and really out of touch with today's business needs. OpenPhone changes the game by bringing calls, texts, and team collaboration into one seamless, intuitive platform that I know you're going to love. Stay with me. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I share tools and tips to work smarter and build your brand. Today, I'm going to show you why OpenPhone is my go-to for modern business communication. This is sponsored content, but after using and trying OpenPhone, I am genuinely excited to share how it can transform the way you work. It already has for me. First, a phone number. Setting up a local or a toll-free number is easy. You can do it in minutes. It's as simple as choosing a number that's available. Then you can do a search here by location, or you can port an existing phone number with just a few clicks. So whether you need a dedicated number for sales, support, or internal operations, OpenPhone makes it simple to assign numbers that fit your business needs. No IT setup, no complicated configurations, just an easy, seamless experience. Now let's click on my number. Each number can be customized with a name, label, or even an emoji to help you and your team quickly identify its purpose. So for example, you can create a dedicated support number here, mark it with the headset emoji, and then you instantly know when a customer inquiry comes in. This level of organization ensures that no message or call gets lost. And while we're here, check the additional settings, some powered by AI. You know I love that, like auto-record calls, transcribe and summarize calls, even adding tags to calls, configuring incoming calls here with call flow, and we are just getting started. All of your calls, texts, and notes are integrated into one single thread, so you never lose track of a conversation. Imagine managing every customer interaction as effortlessly as texting a friend. What a dream. This is really good. Never lose track of a conversation. I could answer this call, but I won't for this example, so you can see how OpenPhone integrates call logs, texts, and voicemails into a single searchable thread. I've set up an automated reply here, which can be different during business hours or outside of business hours. Most importantly, every interaction with a client or a team member is in one place. No more scrambling through multiple apps, inboxes, or even call logs. Everything you need is right where you expect it. I'm going to write a reply to this customer who called us, we missed it, and now we're texting with them to get a replacement. The customer sends a photo, so I'm going to reply asking if they'd like a refund or a replacement. On the next response, let me point out some additional options here, like letting AI write your reply, send a GIF, or my favorite, save a snippet that you and your team can reuse. Upload other types of files like PDFs with absolute ease, like this return policy. You've been seeing this so far on the desktop interface, so let me switch over to the mobile app, which, by the way, is just as easy. I'm going to call this customer back, hypothetically, to confirm order details, and maybe I'll add some customer data quickly, even leave a note for my team. With OpenPhone, the message history, voicemails, and even notes that you've added, they are all neatly stored together. You can pick up the conversation instantly without missing any details. Think about how great this is for multiple team members handling communications, seamless handoffs, and eliminating redundant responses. Amen to that. Say goodbye to manual note-taking. OpenPhone's AI automatically transcribes calls, summarizes key points, and suggests actionable next steps. It's like having a personal assistant for every conversation. I'm going to hop over to my settings and make sure transcribe and summarize calls is turned on. So next you will see how this call that I'm having right now with a customer, hypothetically, is instantly recorded.
Hi, I just received my dishware set, but one of the plates arrived cracked. What's the process for getting a replacement?
And summarized with all of the key information that I need. Plus, if I need it, I can access the transcript, making follow-ups an absolute breeze. Work together seamlessly on shared numbers. This is great for teams using internal threads to solve problems and coordinate responses without the customer ever knowing. This is like teamwork made invisible, but very powerful. You've already seen chats in action. Now imagine how these allow your team to collaborate behind the scenes, like with the internal commenting system shown here, where I could tag one of my colleagues as a way to delegate or loop in a coworker behind the scenes for guidance, all without the customer even knowing. This is especially useful for businesses that offer phone and text support. like I might, which you can see on my website here. So let's say I have a phone number listed on my website for customer inquiries. Instead of one person being solely responsible for answering every call or text, OpenPhone lets your entire team share the responsibility. You can even set up an on-call schedule so team members can take turns handling incoming messages. OpenPhone's analytics dashboard, it's impressive. This shows you exactly how your team is performing, from missed calls to response times. Use these insights to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. This feature you'll find right here. With OpenPhone's simple analytics, managers can track performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to improve customer interactions. Obviously not a ton to look at here on my new account, but imagine once this gets populated with my team and customer activity. You can even see when you get the most calls and messages so you can staff your team accordingly, allowing you to refine processes and improve team efficiency. And one more thing I want to show you, we'll click Settings, and I'll show you integrations that OpenPhone has to seamlessly work with your favorite tools. HubSpot, Salesforce, Gong, Zapier, Slack, webhooks. They are all here. Connect OpenPhone to your CRM to make sure your communication data gets logged for your CRM automatically. No more manual logging. That's a win. Okay, let's wrap with a real-world example. A tenant messages their property management company saying they're locked out. OpenPhone's automation acknowledges the message instantly, while the team collaborates internally to resolve the issue, all within the same thread. The tenant's problem is solved quickly, and the team stays aligned. So if you are feeling ready to upgrade that phone system, try OpenPhone for free today. Click that link in the description and you will discover very quickly why over 50,000 businesses trust OpenPhone to build stronger customer relationships. If you found this video helpful, click that like button and subscribe for more tips to simplify your workflow and grow your brand and business. Thank you to OpenPhone for sponsoring this video. I've got a few others that I think you're gonna like, so we're gonna put those next. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.